Assalamu alaikum, मैं हूँ Mujahid from Naveed Game. Today we have PS5 Dual Sense wireless controller. The latest new color is now available at Naveed Games. It's the latest new color controller. That's the starlight blue, galactic purple, nova pink, cosmic red, midnight black, and the regular black and white. It's all available at Naveed Games, and today we are going to unbox black and red. So let's see the unboxing video. Okay, that's the cosmic red color DualSense wireless controller. DualSense controller discover a deeper gaming experience with innovative new PS5 controller. It also has a built-in microphone and headset jack. Chat with a friend online using the built-in microphone or by connecting a headset to 3.5mm jack. Easily switch off voice capture at the moment's notice with the dedicated mute button. Okay, the midnight black wireless controller. It also has a create button. Capture and broadcast your most epic gaming moments with the create button. Familiar features. The DualSense wireless controller retains many DualShock 4 features, returning for a new generation of play. Okay, so that's cosmic red color and midnight black. That was the video of unboxing. The latest new color in a huge quantity is now available at Naveed Games. If you want to buy, do visit Naveed Games. Location जो है वो नीचे description में भी mention है. WhatsApp number हमारी delivery भी available है all over Pakistan. Okay, thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.